I'm making this video to demonstrate how to empty your trash on a USB, or if you're having any problems getting trash to empty in your main file. I have an easy way to do, a couple ways to do it. So in your main trash, if you're having issues emptying trash, like it just says, you know, permission denied, this and that, this will be in the description. You just copy and paste it, and what it does is it will completely empty your trash for you. It's a command way to do it. That way you don't have to worry about it, and it completely cleans it out. Another way to do it, I'll show you an example, is we'll go to my files, and I will go to, this is an SD card. Same thing happens when you try to make delete something directly from the SD card. So I'll move it to trash, and what it does is it creates a trash file. And then when I try to move to trash again, it says unable to do this, blah, blah, blah. You can ignore it, but it's still there. So it's still taking up space in your USB. One way to do this is I always like to use Nautilus for this. So I could just go sudo Nautilus. You have to use sudo so you have the root privileges. But then I just go to my media form. Let's see here. You want to show hidden files. That way you can see it. And right here is that trash file. Because if I try to, I already demonstrated it won't empty here. But now on my Nautilus, I can empty here. I click on it, move to trash. It'll delete. And that permanently gets rid of it. Now it's off my SD card. I used to actually reformat my cards when I would have this problem, but I don't know if anybody else had this issue. I've had this issue and it drove me nuts, so there you go. So if on your main trash it's not letting you do this, you do this, it'll help you get rid of it. And if you have it on your USB or something, use Nautilus. You can easily install Nautilus by just going, you know, if you have Ubuntu or Lubuntu, you know, sudo apt install Nautilus. And I'll have both. I'll have this in here in the description, as well as you can copy and paste the trash right here. So I must have had an old Nautilus in there because it's installing again. But anyway, I hope this helps somebody. Thank you much. Have a good night.